Hello friends, welcome to Decorative Home. So today is Fall Decorate With Me Day, and I'm super excited to take you all along with me as I decorate our home for fall. I have everything that I'm gonna decorate with all laid out on the table here, so I know what I'm decorating with. I know what rooms I'm gonna decorate in, and that's gonna be the kitchen. We already did the hot beverage bar, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna go ahead and link that down below so you can go ahead and check that out. We're gonna decorate in the living room. I think we're gonna go ahead and get the sidebar here decorated. We may, depending on how much decor I have left, we may be able to get the council table that is in the foyer decorated. I will do another video of how I put together my centerpiece for our table. But first of all, we've got a little bit of collecting of summer decor that needs to be done and a little bit of cleaning that I'll have to do before I can start my decorating. So first I thought I'd go ahead and take you around the table and show you everything that I have laid out, and some of the stuff is still in my tote, but yeah, so let's go ahead and get going. We're gonna start with the pumpkins, a couple scarecrows, new candlesticks, and as well as a couple new jars back here. What I like about the candle holders as well as the jars is I can use them throughout the year. They're not just gonna be for fall. Then I've got a pumpkin back there. I think he's a jack-o'-lantern. Let's see. Yep, that's our jack-o'-lantern. A couple new acorns, a couple candles, a give thanks sign, a little wood tray, some wood beads, then some flowers, and a couple pillows, a couple blankets here, my tote of extras. We got this new tray at the at-home store. I'm really excited about that one because again, I'll be able to use that throughout the year. I won't have to just use it for fall. Then we have a lot of white pumpkins. This pumpkin we found last year and I really don't remember where I got it from. I wish I would have grabbed two. So we've got these glass pumpkins. They light up, so you have to turn them on the bottom. Another white pumpkin. Then the beads that I made, I'll go ahead and link the video to how I made those as well. And then I have a bowl, and then my sign, and some rubber spatulas, and then some owls salt and pepper shaker. New towels for the kitchen, and then my basket that I will be collecting all of my summer decor with. I started off by doing a light dusting in the living room. If you've seen my shop with me video where I bought some new cleaning supplies, then you know that I just started using the Method furniture polish. I have to say this is one of those products that I will be keeping. I like how it doesn't leave a wax buildup on our furniture. I do like to do my dusting before I start my vacuuming, and now that I have my dusting done, I went ahead and grabbed the vacuum and started vacuuming off the couches and the chair. We have a couple cats, so they leave a little bit of their hair all over the furniture, and I like to keep up on that by just taking the hose attachment to my vacuum and going in and vacuuming off the couches and the chair. Now I'm just going ahead and vacuuming the whole room, giving it a fresh start for my fall decorating. I find it easier to use a basket to collect all the decor that I'm swapping out. So right now I'm just going ahead and grabbing all that summer decor that is sprinkled throughout our house, put it in the basket, and then I'll take that basket on down to the storage room in the basement. Now that the living room is all clean and the summer decor is all put away, it is time to get started with our fall cleaning. And I'm super excited to show you all what I have done. I started here at the entertainment center with this green garland. I'm going to be able to use that green garland throughout other seasons. That is one of the reasons why I went ahead and used it. And another, I thought the leaves start green, so why not have my base of my decor here on the entertainment center start with green. Since the garland is made of wire, I can go ahead and bend that in whichever direction I want it to lay on the entertainment center. It also allowed me to go ahead and bend the ends to act as a hook. That way I knew it was secure on the entertainment center. The garland was looking a little flat to me, so I went ahead and went back in and worked my way down the whole length of the garland by fluffing it up a little bit, moving the leaves ever so often. A lot of times when I'm creating in spaces like this, I like to have a focal point and then each of the sides mirror each other. So right now what I'm doing is going in with the picks, and I'm fluffing the picks first and then adding them into the greenery, just kind of tucking them in. My focal point is going to be a wood candlestick holder that my husband and one of my daughters made a few years ago. And then I have a little grapevine pumpkin that I put in the center as well. Just look at that little bird perched up there on the entertainment center with his little legs dangling over the side. There's another one on the other side. I just thought that they brought a little life into the decor there on the entertainment center. Since the entertainment center is the focal point in the living room, I wanted to keep the rest of the fall decorations here kind of simple. So on the coffee table, I went ahead and brought in this wood tray that I purchased at the at-home store. I'll be able to use that in multiple seasons. Then I added this brown vase and filled that vase up with some fall vase filler. Then to tie this tray in with the entertainment center, I brought in some of the same fall leaves and then finished the look off with a white pumpkin. I sprinkled a couple white pumpkins to tie in with that tray throughout the living room, and then to bring in that cozy feel, I added a couple pillows and a couple blankets. Now we're just moving on into the dining area, and I'm going to start decorating the sidebar. I'm also going to put up a video on how I decorate our table centerpiece, so be on the lookout for that. I knew that I wanted the dining table to be the focal point here in the dining area, so that meant I wanted to keep the sidebar simple. I brought in 2 candle holders and candles, and then these 3 pumpkins. I tried making the scarecrow work, but he just did not work in this area. Sometimes I like decorating in odd numbers. I like the visual effect that it has. So the candle holders on the sidebar bring your eyes up, whereas the pumpkins kind of bring your eyes over and down, and then they also bring in that burst of color. And then on the sidebar itself, I wanted to kind of fill in a little bit of the space but not go overboard. So I added some wood beads and then some fall leaves that also tie in with the entertainment center. Sometimes standing back and having a look gives you a fresh look at what you're decorating. I do this all the time. That's when I notice if I should move an item just a bit, or if an item isn't working in the space, then I can remove it, like the scarecrow. So I say, make those little tweaks until you get that look that you are after. Now we're going to go ahead and wrap up our fall 2021 Decorate With Me here in the kitchen. And we're at the focal point, and that is the kitchen window. After all the summer decor was down, I went in and wiped the window ledge down with Mrs. Meyer's apple cider multi-purpose cleaner, and then I went ahead and changed out the summer soap for some fall soap. We just love Bath & Body Works foaming soap. Tell me in the comments below, do you buy seasonal cleaning products and soaps? The scarecrow ended up looking too cute sitting here on this wood recipe box in the window ledge. Then I brought over this sign. It says Happy Pumpkin Spice Season. And then I also brought back over this little white jug and then added some fall flowers to it. Now, he wouldn't be a scarecrow without leaves, so I went ahead and tucked a couple leaves up underneath his arm, and then I brought in the owl salt and pepper shaker. After I was done filming, I went back and added a white pumpkin and then some more leaves to finish off the look here at the window ledge. Tucked over there in the corner is our hot beverage bar. I'll go ahead and link that down below so you can go take a look at that. Now I'm just adding splashes of fall around the kitchen with some dish towels and a couple new rubber spatulas that I'm adding to the canister. Finishing up my fall decorate with me at this little shelf on the wall. Again, keeping it simple with just a pumpkin and some leaves. Thank you for coming along with me as I decorated our home for fall. I hope you were inspired in some way to decorate your home this year. If you enjoyed our fall 2021 Decorate With Me video, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We would love to have you as a subscriber to A Decorative Home.